There is no other woman better than I am, because I am Petra M. Cara, I'm married. Just my luck. No pressure, just shut your face and kiss me. And don't you dare fall in love with me. Panahon na para ipakam mo yung si Lucy Torres mo. Ilabas mo na si Gretchen Barreto. Sabi nga sa magkaribal eh, you want war? I'll give you war. Ako na bahala sa red stilettos mo, anak.
Bakit ko kailangan makipag-agawan kung alam ko naman akin?
Dahil ang buhay ay isang malaking quiapo. Maraming snatcher, maaagawan ka, lumaban ka.
At saka ano ba mas madaling kalaban? Yung putang mahirap o yung putang mayaman?
Pare-parehong puta lang yun. Yung putang mayaman, original ang embes. Yung putang mahirap, sa Green Hills ang binili. Why don't you have dinner with us tonight? Patengyo ko na rin kasi kinuha mo yung asawa ko. I'm sorry? Pinong supplier ng furniture para sa resort nyo. Is there anything I could do to help you? Naku, wag na. Baka mamaya makita mo yung pagkain mo, nilalagyan ko ng lason. Excuse me? Mababaliw siguro ako pag malaman kung may babae siya. Baka mapatay ko yung kabit. Silang dalawa, actually. What would you do if the man that you love is unfortunately married? I'm not giving up Ram without putting up a goddamn fight! Are you hurt to make a scene? Well, if you're expecting some jeep godfight, it's not happening. Pinabantayan ko lang ang asawa ko. Alam mo kasi ang marrieds, para yung exclusive billets. Kailangan mong bantayan para hindi makapasok mga squatter. Oh, is that so? Well, alam mo dito na sa resort namin, ang pagkakaalam ko, bawal din dito ang mga ugaling squatter. Buti nakapasok ka. Eh, anong tawag mo sa mga agaw ng asawa ng may asawa? Ahas. Damit mo ba yan? O balat mo? Kaya pala ang galing mong gumapang. Just so you know, yes, I enjoyed your husband. And I'm sure the feeling's mutual. You can call me anything you want. Is Snakeskin a motherfucking bitch? Another woman. But I will never be a pathetic, boring housewife.
Kulang ba ng magic sarap? Hindi ba masyadong matamis yung spaghetti ko? Rampangit ba ako? Ram, bakit mo nagawa ito sa akin? Ang sakit-sakit. Sabi nga ni John Lloyd, my best. But you chose to break my heart. Naghiwalay na tayo.
I know that sometimes promises just fade away. I need you here beside me. It's just no good to feel this way. Now that you're gone, I wish you never had to go. Now that you're gone, this pain I feel inside me just goes on and on. Now I know I need you, and I never should have let you go.
Dahil ang mundo ay isang malaking quiapo. Ito yun.